Ednovate इंटर के साथ भी इंटर के बाद I had uninstalled all these apps. Like I've also broken the Snapchat.
Hi Rishi Kothari, congratulations on achieving a great feat, AIR 28.
Thank you.
And welcome to Ednocast, the rankers of Ednovate. That's the podcast which we do. Rishi, you have a very, very interesting story. You are someone who wanted to quit 20 days prior to your exams.
I was under too much of expectation pressure. But then those motivational talks with Dhaval sir, he used to come with so much of energy, like it instilled a lot of confidence.
Tell me, why do you think Ednovate should be the preferred choice for students, and what impact does it have in your CA journey, and what are the important key points which you want to bring forth about Ednovate?
If you want to excel, score a rank, join Ednovate Early Bird Batch.
Right.
I also remember Ednovate had started taking their tests. So it has everything planned, like how they'll complete up till when they have to complete. Besides that, with every test, we used to get our Know Your Mistake report. Like we had our Edno tracker where we could track our progress, look into what areas we are weak in. Then besides offline lectures, it also provides like flexibility about live lectures on Zoom, then also other recorded lectures, then also the regular test series, like it helps you a lot in your writing practice. Also the doubt solving on the apps and the environment that the professors create in the classroom. It is like learn with fun. So besides conceptual clarity, the rapport that is built, so that is like very important, where even professors, their guidance and expertise is there. So for that reason, Ednovate is like the preferred choice. Even after the exams, you had taken sessions with us for articleship. So it is like Ednovate इंटर के साथ भी इंटर के बाद.
Again, coming to your generation, we have lesser distraction. So how did you manage those distractions?
Like during the study leave time, I had uninstalled all these apps. Like I've also broken the snap streaks.
Okay.
So then, but you have to be strong. Your willpower has to be strong. Because this will not get you somewhere. It will only waste your time.
One person you admire the most in Ednovate?
Dhaval sir.
So thank you so much, Rishi. It's a pleasure to have you here.